Hello, this is Brendan from Diablo Sport, and I'm going to quickly walk you through the instructions on how to properly install the bypass cable that is required for the 2018 Dodge and Chrysler cars. With the trunk open and the trunk floor removed, locate the start connector access module. With a flathead screwdriver, pop the tabs to open the module cover. Now with your bypass cable in hand, locate the white and green connectors on the end of the cable. First, insert the green plug into the open socket on the white bus module socket as shown. Then grab the white plug and insert it into any open slot on the green bus module. Tuck and organize the wires so the module cover snaps and resecures properly. Locate the fuse box behind the battery. Lift the fuse box cover. Using the provided fuse remover tool, locate and remove fuse 37. This next step depends on what comes with your bypass cable. If you received a Type A fuse link with a 5A fuse already installed, insert the fuse 37 that was just pulled from the fuse box into the open slot on the Type A fuse link and then reinstall it into the fuse 37 location. If you receive the Type B fuse link, you will just need to install the included fuse into the 37 fuse location and connect the bypass harness to the fuse link. When you have the fuse link installed and the bypass power cable connected, simply route the wire out through the opening on the left side of the fuse box and reinstall the fuse box cover. Now, locate the ground nut behind the battery and to the right. Loosen the nut using a 10mm wrench. You do not have to loosen the bolt all the way, only enough to insert the ground lug behind the nut and then retighten. First and foremost, make sure your back seats are folded down. When installing the OBD2 extension cable, it is best to map out where you want the female end of the OBD2 plug to rest. We recommend starting from the front of the vehicle and work your way to the trunk, giving you the wiggle room needed. With the female end of the OBD2 extension harness closest to the dashboard, start tucking the extension cable under the driver's side interior door sill towards the dashboard till the OBD2 connector is in its proper spot. From the back seating area of the vehicle, work the cable down the edge of the back driver's side seat and into the trunk area. Next, tuck the wires between where the trunk and the back seats meet. Work your way across the middle of the trunk. When you come to the middle of the trunk, make sure to tuck the male end of the OBD2 plug through the hole in the carpet flap. Now you can pull the cable through the trunk padding. We routed our cable over the fuse box area and connected our OBD2 extension harness to the bypass cable. Now, connect both OBD2 plugs together. Once the cable has been properly installed, connect your tuning device to the OBD2 bypass cable in the trunk or the extended cable in the driver's seat and follow the instructions provided with your tuner.